Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to another edition, new video. This is chapter 11 for us. In this chapter, we will learn about customizing decision and action element. So till now, whatever we are doing, we were doing with Cisco provided elements, builder perspective, and we are doing everything in Cisco provided elements, right? And these elements, if you go these decision element, if you go to these decision element, they have parsing or you can say customization facility. Let me show you how we can customize. I'll not customize this because the coding is done here. But what we will do, first let me show you the XML format of that as well. This is the editor format and this is the XML format. So if you see this is a core XML coding. So you can check. I am putting the rule 1, check DNIS default normal. If the value is VIP and it is equals to 333, it's not normal customer. It's a VIP customer, otherwise a normal customer. So now this thing what we have achieved in XML or in editor, we can actually achieve this via decision element as well. Means decision element, customization of Java element as well. So how we can achieve that? Let me show you. So let's open another page. We have transfer. We have in transfer we can do that. Yes, we can do the transfer as well. Okay, so in this transfer, what we will do? We will first add one element here called some action element, some decision element. Both thing we will do here only. So decision element and action element. Okay, both I have taken. So in this time I'm taking this action, not this action element, because these action element is already these are also action element, but these are already customized by Cisco. But I'm taking this core element and then we'll customize this. So what we're gonna do is, before going back to the uh, you can say that agent, we will say that check customer information. Check customer info. And this check customer info, we will use class. Which class we will use? That I'll mention here. Customization dot check, same name, check customer info. Okay, and I'll put here some exist state, which I'll same exist state, same spelling. It's a Java, so case sensitive. So let's say I will say exist, or say VIP check. We have already done. What we can achieve it here. Okay, yeah, exist only. Exist is fine. Exist, add non-exist or not available. So I've added two exist here, two exist state here. So if you see this, it will say two things. If it was not there, let me delete. If it was not there, now if you save it and say nothing is there, only one. Ignore, element ignorance is there. But I can say available, add, and then I have not available. Not available. Customization we are doing. To achieve it, what we need to do? First let's connect this our purpose. If available customer, transfer it. If non-available customer, hang up the guy. You can do whatever as per your customer requirement. I am doing it just a reference. I'll show you how we are achieving it. So I have created one class. I'm deleting this action for now. Uh, I have created one class, and that class is in customization package. So first we will create this customization package. I have already achieved it in the Java test, but I will freshly achieve again in our first Cisco IV underscore Java project. Let's do it in the Java perspective. We'll go here, source. What we need to do? We need to create one package which is called customization. C small. Done. Later, C small. Okay. Let's go to the builder perspective again. Make this C small. And the class name. Class name. Go to the Java perspective, and inside this, create one new class. Yeah. Check customer info. Okay. So currently it is a normal class. How we can how we are saying that it will customize the decision element. To achieve it, we need to extend decision element base. So if we extend this decision element base, then we will get an do decision element. I am just renaming this object. This is for my thing. For decision element data, I'll put you can put either data or DE data, whatever you want. Or decision element DE data. I do that. I do like I go with DE data. Okay. So this is now DE data. There is one error is coming, right? This error is saying some servlet issue. So what you need to do? You need to remove that. You remember we have copied some jar files from plugins, right? Similarly, in this library common, Call Studio Eclipse plugin and Com Audium Core Studio library common, we need to go to servlet. So how I know? Again, the programming guide will tell you which class available in which jar file. Okay, so that you need to check. I know already, that's why I'm just directly going to servlet API and importing that into this project. Similarly, what I need to do, I need to go to the properties, go to add jar, go to first, go to live, and add the newly added jar. Okay, as soon as I do that, error goes. Okay, so now this DE data will help us to first we create one string. Let's say exit state. Exit state. Okay, and this exit state, what it will do? First of all, we will create one default exit state. Let's say not available. Some default exit state. This is our default exit state string, and this exit state will pass in the return type. This return type is nothing but this only will match this exit state. Whatever is you set here, this will match to this part. Spelling should be same. Going to jar perspective, not available. Done. Save. Now, what I'm doing is I'm just checking decision element dot get some session data. I will get some session data. Let's say I will get some ANI. There is one in activity log. You will see that there is one this underscore ANI session data is always available. Okay. Another one I'll take like DE. This time I will take the call data. get get any get any or get DNS, get any. There is number of thing. Get let's see what else we have. Some which will I think get UI we have. So get user API, user management, something application name is there. Application API, application name. Look at this. Dot get. Okay, I think it is enough. It will return the string. String, yeah, it is running. So look at this. If you move the cursor on the top of this function, it is saying return type. This is the return type string. So it will return some string return type. So what I will do, I will keep it inside some string. Let's say app name equals to, and then I need to. Okay, this is done. So what I will do, I will put if condition, if app name dot is empty. If app name is empty, and I'll put the not sign. What was it? I'll put the not sign here. If my this is not empty, some value is there. What I will do, I will pass that as an available. Else, you can put multiple if else. This is your choice. Multiple if else you can put. Else, it will be not available. Available, not available. Two, I'm only putting the two conditions. You can add multiple. You can either check some data, some customer enter number, some ANI, some DNIS, some DTM of customer place, some audio file, customer has travels, whether the customers has traveled to that element. Because by this uh, object, you can go get the all element data as well. Particular element name, element data. Then you can pass the element name and element value, or you can check the by history. I'll tell you that also. I get element data, and you can put the element name which you have already in your Call Studio, and put the some value, and you can check whether the that value is available or not available. Or you can go to this history dot get index. We will put 2 or 1, and then we will put -1. So it acts as an 0 or -1. Yeah, -1 or 0 it is a last value. Get index, or this one. Okay, I'll tell you how to get the dynamically the name of the last element. Or you can directly put the name dot get element name. Put some element name here, like I'm putting. Let's go to the perspective. Let's say get number, like this one. I'll go here and check this element name, and what I need to search is value. Where I can get that, if you remember, we put some conditions, right? In that condition, we are in is when we using different kind of decision element. At that time, we are getting this data, right? This, so count. For this counter, we have count. For some value, yeah, this. For some value, we have some value, right? Value, small v, value. So that's how you can achieve the value for that small case sensitive always. So that's how you, and then you can print it with the same value wherever it is. Same value of the element, whatever you have captured, will be presented in the activity log. And activity log, to present in the activity log, same thing. Ed dot add to log dot de data dot add to log, and then you can print that into activity log. I'm removing this. I'm not using. I'm removing this also. Currently, I don't need that. Okay. So now you have this condition added. So this class is customized, but again, this is in the Java perspective. What do you need to do? First, you clean, always clean project. Check whether any problem or error is there. It is not there. Now go to builder perspective. If you go to builder perspective, the bin is generated and the class file is generated. Copy that and go back to same place, same structure. Okay. Yes. So customization. So endpoint customization 2 folder here. And if you go to my source, it is also customization endpoint 2 folder here inside source. And the classes should be in the under the classes folder. You have 2 folder in this bin, and this it's the same thing. Copy paste. So and it is saying that to make it affected, restart or uh, uh, open and close. So close the project and open the project. It will reflect now. It will reflect now. So now your last record, your VMX is transfer. Now this class, this will be invoked. This will be this customization dot check customer info will invoke this location, and the class will work. It will check these variables. You can have another default one also, but not required because we have set the default value as a not available only. This is case sensitive, and that's how you can have thousands of not thousand, like hundred of, because thousand space is not there, hundred of to 20 plus exist state from one decision element by using the Java. That's how you use the decision element customization by from with class. Now we'll do the action element. Okay, action element actually have only one existed. So here you can see, due to the logic and multiple existed, customer experience is differs. So customer experience either going to transfer or going in the hang up mode. But action element does not do anything which customer need to put any input or customer experience having some issue. It is just a back end thing. It's just a back end thing. Similarly, what we will do, we will check customization dot check customer info. Here we will check the, let's say, check or db insertion check, db insertion, because check is not there, na? Just will do db insertion. Okay, we will only do the db insertion. So this we will make, and now the action element also will customize. So that's and same way here, you don't have multiple condition, right? You don't have multiple this thing. So you don't have multiple exist state. So you only the done is there. So in this only done is available in the action element. So let's do that. First we customize, then action element done. Only done condition. You cannot have multiple existed in action element. Remember that. DB insertion. Okay. Name also I made as a class name. I'll go to the Java perspective again. My package is already created. Just I need to create class, which is nothing but DB insertion. Done. Now this again is normal class. I need to extend. This time I extend action element base. So if I do that, then it will go to this, and then it will generate one unimplemented method. I'm just doing I'll do this AE data, action element data. Okay. This action element, same thing. It will do the same thing. It will dot add to log. Like you can print you are in DB insertion class or logic. Okay. This you can put null also or some anything. And this now here again. Similarly, you can make a connection, DB connection. Okay, insert whatever you have collected in your IVR. Okay, you can make DB collection. You can put the insertion query. So anything you can do. So anything you can do in this class actually. This is how you customize your action element. So how to do that? You can just okay. Again, one more thing. Sorry. After creating that, again we need to clean. Currently, if you see, our Java classes have only check customer info because we need to copy paste that, right? We have already cleaned it. So now our navigator, or you can say the class, one more class will be generated, which is DB insertion. And this DB insertion we will put. I only putting only one class. Again, it is saying reopen the flow. So I'm putting only this. So this package name is same. Customization. This package name is same, and then the class differs. So now this will invoke this class, and this will invoke this class. Again, close project and open project. Now you can deploy this, validate. Once you validate, after validating, you can just deploy the project. Similarly, what we have done recently as well. Because okay, one more thing. Let me show you. Let me debug this. Let me show you because we may get some runtime error because uh, normally we don't done anything. What we have done in this class. Let me just check. We will runtime will do. Okay, app name. App name is normally available only. Okay, so let's try this. We will take a transfer, and how we can take a transfer by pressing one. By pressing one, okay, transfer. Okay, let's do it. This language selection on debug. We will check in the logs. We will wait for the connection. If it is not coming, then we need to restart. Let's see. I think it will come. It is not coming. So it will slow sometime. I don't think it is coming. Okay, wait. Let's restart. Before restarting, what I will do, I will make one change. What I need to do, I will print the activity log also. Windows preferences. Okay, now it is connecting. Wait. Activity log also I'll apply. It will come in console only. Look at this. But now first we stop this. Go to the build up perspective. Restart. And my Call Studio will not restart because of my laptop problem. I need to go to Eclipse again, manually start it. So I hope you understand how to customize action and decision element. Similarly, action audio element base. Similarly, you have the form element base. Every class, every element you can customize. That is the beauty of the Call Studio's Call Studio IVR application. Similarly, validate and debug. Let's see now this time will it connect or not connect. It's taking more time actually. on usual. I think connected, I think. Yeah, connected. Let's click on connect button. Then it will show reconnecting or connecting here.
I'm sorry. We are experiencing difficulties. Please call back at a
Let's be
later
getting
time.
the app.
Goodbye.
Why?
The application is processing
Look at
the end
this.
of call.
Look at this. We are getting endpoint call start issue. Call endpoints. No class definition found. And where it is coming? Where it is coming? I think it is started. Okay. Even because yeah, error coming and call disconnected. And where we are getting that? I think this is not the server, and that is the reason. This is my machine is the laptop only, not connected to the server. Okay, look at this. It is saying connector property log4j is fine, and this is good. Yeah, we are getting that error actually. Ah, here it is. Okay, call start is fine. As soon as call start, they are saying no class found. Class found, but we have already we have the class, right? So we have deleted or what? We have deleted that classes we have here. We have n1 classes. Every classes we have here. Or we have deleted from this point or what? Endpoint. Look at this. ENDPOINTS. Okay, this is there. ENDPOINT app on app start. On app start. On app starts. STARTS. Yeah, this is right. On call ends. This is also right. On call start also we have. On call end also. Let's remove this. Maybe because of the server only we are getting the error. But it really should not come. I also never tested with this endpoints in the lab. I always test this in UT server or SIT server. Which location it is saying? Which location? Location is not mentioning. Huh? Location. Okay, let's go to Catenary log. Let's see. Let's, let's go to Catenary. Plugin. Plugin. Then runtime. Plugin. Runtime. There is one package called runtime something. Runtime something is there. More runtime, debug runtime. Then we'll go to Audium logs. So look at this error. Yeah, there is one error. Yeah, look at the error. What it is saying. Server error it is. This close that. Close that also. Is the global call lower error lower. Let's see. Nothing is there because not server. What is this? Let's see that. This is also not specifying anything. Cannot read. Only cannot. This will not help us. So which error log? Error log is not there. Annual log will not help. Go to common. Let's go to application first. Application. Okay. Yeah, look at this. We have something. Yeah, we have here. That's nice. See first in the activity log. Nothing is the activity log. Nice. Okay, wait. Go to debug. We have some debug. Wait. And this is big also. Debug may help because we have added the debug line. Na? That is good. What error we are getting here? This is little lengthy log. It is difficult. New guys will face difficulties to read that. Okay, it is not only showing anything. It is only saying, okay, one audio prompt played. But what is the reason of playing it? It is not saying. Some class path should be given. Ideally, in the server, it will be shown that okay, from this place the path is not there. But yeah, it's always important. Okay, let's see. Something comes here. Class not found, we can see clearly. But where? Wrong name. End points. End point. Hey, why this is coming? Wrong name. End point slash. I put dot only, no? Ah, we have put that dot only. Wrong name. We have put dot, right? Why this is coming? Builder is gone. Hmm, interesting. Dot only we have put, right? Hmm. Dot on app start. Okay, maybe something we need to do. Class we need to add. Dot class. No, we don't add class only, yeah. Let's check the log again. Hmm. Wrong name. Endpoints slash and oh, P small. Yeah, this is the mistake. Look at this. END P small. Here we have P big. And here also we have P big. So some mistake we have done in the packaging. Uh, packaging. Okay. P big here and P big here also. Why? P big here also. END yes, yeah. Okay, this is small. Yeah, mistake seen. This is right. Now it is right. Let's see. Yeah, I think that is a mistake. We have captured the mistake. That is really good. Yeah, it's coming on one class only. I was searching in the app start. Validate again. Yeah, debug. Now I think it will not come now this time. But we will see. We'll wait and see. We will see whether the connect button comes or not. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, connect button came. That is great. Really nice, nice. Troubleshooted and the
Welcome to the Cisco First IVR.
thank you.
Press 1 for Hindi and press 2.
This one. Presenter.
You have selected option 1. Press 1 for booking. Press 2.
This one for booking.
Please enter you calling or WhatsApp number.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The numbers I've entered.
You have entered 2, 2, 2, 2, 2,
That call
2,
is that's nice.
2, 2, 2, 2. Thank you calling us. Our team will reach out to you. We are landing your call to available agent. Please be on the line.
So are every prompt getting played? Number one. Number two, let me show you the activity log. Copy this. I think we can open the activity log here. Now this activity log also came here. Very nice. We will open the activity log. Activity log. Now this does not have any error, which is already two error only. Last two. So, okay. Now we will open the activity log. Here. This one. This is our activity log. Okay, new call. Okay, the call. This is the activity log you will see in the server as well. Okay, and I'll explain this from the top. This is called your ID, the IP. This is some server IP, CP server IP. This is some number it will generate. This will call the caller ID. This from here to here. One caller ID, unique caller ID is this. Other unique caller ID will come in the uh, Cisco GUID. You can say the CVP ID. So ICM will pass it. So it will show in this start. From the start, it will show here. And this is generated by the IVR server, VXML server. This is also your unique ID. Okay, one call will have that like this. This is a unique ID. Include both. Then call is starting, and you are a normal DNS customer. That is fine because nothing is coming. I am not getting any value from ICM because it's a normal laptop. Your welcome is playing. Your language menu playing. Your press is one. Then store menu. You also press is one here. You have set the default language path. You are checking the DTMF, which is one only. You are now getting mobile number. You are entering. Look at this. Now this is the thing I was telling you. What is the meaning of masking? This is the masking facility. Get number. Now here you have, remember you have done the masking true here, right? Secure logging true. So that's why in the activity log you will not see the mobile number, whatever the customer entered. Debug console log you are seeing that, and here I am printing that. Here I am printing. Where I am printing this custom in the in uh, call customer callback number. Maybe I'm printing somewhere. Okay, in the call end class maybe. The call end class. Do I anything I'm doing? I think we have done that. We are printing in the call end class. Yeah, look at this customer callback number. So we are printing it in the callback call end class. That's why it is showing in the activity log. In the this is the when the call is ending. So 34 seconds the call runs, and look at this. Your DV insertion. You are in the DV insertion logic. So that the customization just we have made, right, and we have entered this activity log. You remember? So this is showing, and then our checking condition. So my what I have checking the app name. So my app name is exist. Okay, we can print the app name as well. Let us do that as well. We will print that app name. Then we will change that again. So in the check condition, let's print this. Here I will print. How we can print this? Again, db dot add to log, and the app name is the same string app name. We will application variable application. Okay, now same thing. First, we will clean the project. After cleaning the project, I have modified only one class. Remember, I have only modified one class. I need to modify only in Java perspective. Sorry for that. I done must have modified here only. But okay, I've done so. Again, I'll clean. Done cleaning. Go back to the builder's perspective. Then I will only copy one class. I'm not copy full. I'll only copy one class. Customer check customer info, and sorry, mistake. This check customer info I'll copy from here. Cancel, copy, copy, and paste this. Paste. Yep. Yes to all. Refreshed. Done. Now refresh. Validate. First you close. To make it reflection, close and open. If done, now validate again. First validate, then same thing. This time I think we need to do the restart. I hope it should connect because it earlier only it is connected. Yeah, it is connected. I think. Yeah, good, connected. Come on, connect. Please connect. We will wait for 1 more minute. 1 more minute only. And we will restart the Call Studio. Restart the Call Studio. Okay, it is, I think, not connecting. Not connecting. We need to restart. Okay, restart. Eclipse. Mhm. So in the next video, I can show you the activity log functionality as well, how we can change the activity log, error log. These things also I can say now because it is working in the system itself. At least activity log changes by call, by date, that I can show you. That is good. So now let me finish this, validate and deploy. Not deploy, give up. Give up. It is checking. Yeah, CVP, WhatsApp. All good. Ordered. Yeah, come in. Game. Yeah, connect.
Welcome to the Cisco First IVR. Press 1 for Hindi and
Enter.
you have selected option 1. Press 1 for booking. Press 2 for talk to agent. Press 3 for cancel your last booking.
So when I'm clicking, it is called bargain. When I click something,
Please enter you calling or WhatsApp number.
the audio will stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Enter.
You have entered 7 7
And look at this.
7
When I interrupt it, now it is
7
disconnected. So it will play all 10 digit.
7 7
It will play.
7 7 7
Sorry for the multiple
7.
times 777.
Thank you calling us.
Thank you calling
Our
us.
team will reach out to
So
you.
to you, we are landing your call to the special agent.
We are landing your call to available agent. Please be on the line.
Okay, so I'm not clearing it, just disconnecting that. When I'm interrupting the audio, that is called the bargain thing. So here you can see, you can go to audio file. So this bargain means when you click something, it will not play completely. If you remove that checkbox, the forcefully customer will listen entire prompt. Normally at the welcome, this bargain normally at the welcome when we are playing the welcome prompt or some emergency messages, remember uh, uh, to make this bargain unchecked. Now we'll go to the activity log, and this activity log modified. I think it is modified or not modified. It is not modified. Huh? Wait, let me see. App name is coming. App name. No, this is not the modified one. We will load it again. Error log, debug log. No. Okay. I'll open startup log, CPU. No, this is something. Okay, let's physically go to the path. Plugin again, plugins, then runtime, then Audium home, application. What is in Catalina home? Okay, no, log is not that. Home, application, IVR, logs, activity log. Debug is also generated. Same thing, all the audio files will be present in debug. .wav you can search. Error log will not be there this time because there is no error. This is old only. 0 KB, I think it is old only. Nothing will be there. Very good. Nothing is there. And now admin log, it will say you how many server, what time server has been started. But majorly, I'll show you the activity log first. Activity log, sorry, in that notepad plus plus 11. Yeah, Notepad++, if you see the activity log, this is the new one. I don't want to save it. Okay, this is our new log. Everything remains same. Only one line we have added, right? The app name. Look at this. This is our line which is added. The application name is Cisco First App IVR, and this is also here. It is also comes. So that's how you use the activity log. You can put everything whatever you are doing in your code, and that's how you troubleshoot IVR applications as well. I hope you like that video. If you have any doubts, anything in your mind, you ask in the comment box, and do subscribe my channel. Share with your colleagues and friends who want to learn IVR application. Thank you very much. Your subscription help me, support me to create a new content or new things for learning. Thank you very much.